your servant Moses, righteousness being restored. These are the days of the harvest, and the field and darkness and soul. Still we are the voice in the desert, crying, prepare ye the way of the Lord. Behold, he comes, riding on clouds, shining like the sun. At the trumpet's voice, lift your voice. It's the year of Jubilee. Out of Zion till salvation comes. Behold, he comes, riding on clouds, shining like the sun. At the trumpet's voice, lift your voice. It's the year of Jubilee. Out of Zion till salvation comes.
These are the days of Ezekiel, the dry bones becoming as flesh.
These are the days of your servant David, rebuilding the temple of praise. These are the days of the harvest, and the fields are as white in your word. And we are the laborers in your vineyard, declaring the word of the Lord. Behold, he comes, riding on clouds, shining like the sun. At the trumpet's course, lift your voice. It's the year of Jubilee. Out of Zion till salvation comes. Behold, he comes, riding on clouds, shining like the sun. At the trumpet's course, lift your voice. It's the year of Jubilee. Out of Zion till salvation comes. There's no God like Jehovah. 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 There's no God like Jehovah.